This video I'm going to upgrade the suspension. This is the stock suspension. If you wanted to, you could twist these caps off and put your own oil in and make these oil filled. That would be a cheap option and it would work, but I really like the way that these metal shocks look. So I'm going to use this oil and fill up these shocks before I install them on the car. I still have a little bit of oil left over when I change the shocks on the T-Max we have. Here on these upgraded suspension arms, it comes with mounts, but that's for if you want to put the stock shock back on. You can just push it on like that and it clips in. These upgraded ones are a little different and you don't press them on. You have to put screws in the top and the bottom. We have to take all these mounts on the front and the back off. So that was the suspension upgrade. It really only takes a few minutes to do. I'm surprised how easily this is going together. So the next upgrade I'm going to do are these pull rods here. Now these are a little bit more technical because once you get them installed, you're going to have to adjust with these adjusters here how long you want the pull rods, so that way you can get your wheels perfectly angled. And same with your steering, you want to adjust the pull rods so that way you can get the wheels pointing perfectly straight forward. So there it is, all the pull rods are installed. They now need to be adjusted. As you can see on these front ones, see how they're pointing up? So you just turn this adjustment nut here. Same on this side. And when you turn it, you'll see that, see if you turn that way, they're going up. Now if you turn this way, I don't know if you can notice this is going down. So these are the dog bones. They come stock metal, so I didn't upgrade these. So to put the dog bones in, I would take this screw out because that's the easiest one to get to. This one's a little hard to get to because of the motor. You can do this when you're putting the pull rods on, but say you already have the pull rods on and you're upgrading the dog bones or replacing one that got lost or broken, you just pull this one out here for the hub. You can put your dog bone in the diff cup and then match your dog bone up with the slots and then put your pull rod back on. So there's how you put the dog bones in. You can do that for all four. I'm not going to show you every single one just to save time on this video, but that's how you do it. That's how you install the dog bone. And yeah, so that's looking pretty sweet right there. So there it is, all the pull rods and dog bones and all the suspension is installed. So that'll be it for this video. But thanks for following along on this build. Hit the subscribe button right over here. Hit me with a like if you're liking the way that this build is going. And thanks for following along on this upgrade rebuild of this ready to run RC.